Hello and welcome to my garden. Today we are going to talk about climbers and creepers. Whenever anyone thinks about climbers and creeper, first things come in your mind is money plant. But it's not only. There are many other ornamental plants which you can keep inside your house and it will look very beautiful. And those beautiful plants are Syngonium and Philodendron. The one which you can see is Syngonium, and there are many other Philodendron which I got inside the house also, which was climbing on the wild tree, and it looks very beautiful and it is doing really well. And I will tell you how to take care of it, what light it requires, how much water it needs, and where you can keep it and how beautiful it will look. Let's go down and have a look. This climber is climbing on my palm tree. This climber grows very fast. It belongs to a Syngonium family and it is called Syngonium auditum. It is also called as five-finger plant. This really has low maintenance. Multiplying this is very easy. You just have to take one of the stem from here. You can see those roots which are already there. You can just put it in a bottle of water and keep it hanging. It looks very nice. After few days you can put it in pot and give some support, or you can just keep it hanging also. It looks very nice. Now let's see the next climber. This climber belongs to Philodendron family. This is called Malay gold because it has lime golden color and all leaves are oval shape. You can see this, like this has beautiful color. Among all the Philodendron, this color is really beautiful. Let's see the next one. These are Monsteras. It is like broken heart, but it has a big leaf. This plant also belongs to Philodendron family. It has beautiful large leaf. See this. The color is little light when it is young, and when after few days it becomes little dark. And this is heart-shaped Philodendron. This is also known as sweetheart plant. I have kept one indoor also. These are pothos. It is also called money plant. I have always noticed one thing in Philodendron and pothos, that whenever they take height, the leaves become little bigger. Now since we are talking about climber and creeper, this is one creeper in my garden which is called Ficus pumila. This is clinging to my compound wall. I can't see the wall at all. It is fully covered. It is spread so beautifully that everyone asks me what do I do for it, but I don't do anything. The plant is only such. It is also known as climbing and creeping fig. These are some photos which I kept in my backyard. When I planted it, it was very small, like hardly 2-3 leaves, but I planted 2-3 in one pot, so it gives you the bushy look. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the climbers and creepers. Now, how to look after this beautiful plant. Three things you need to take care. Very first, sunlight. Sunlight, if it is indoor, it should be in a brighter area, not too dark area. It does good in dark area, but you have to look after it. You have to give little light, little bright area. But when it is outdoor, you have to be in, it has to be in shady area. It can't be in direct sunlight. You should really protect this from direct sunlight. Now let's talk about water. When I talk about water, it should have enough drainage. The water should be drained out immediately as soon as you water it. And you can see these roots. These roots need some spraying of water. When you spray the water, it does really good. In water, you should water twice water. If you see the leaves is going dark brown color, that means you are less watering. And if the leaves are turning yellow, that means you are over watering. You should be careful of two things. Yellow leaves means over watering, and this brown leaves means under watering. The third thing is fertilizer. You can use vermicompost as a fertilizer, or any organic fertilizer does well. But actually it doesn't need fertilizer if the plant is growing well. If plant is growing well, I will tell you not to put any fertilizer, because too much of fertilizer can damage the root also. And for this beautiful and bushy look, you can do some pruning also. If it growing on moist stick, it will come up, but since I have kept this hanging, it was hanging really down. So I cut from here, and now you can see the new growth from here. You can see this? So new growth is coming up. So it will look more beautiful and thicker. Otherwise only one string was coming down. And from here also I have did. I cut from here. And you can see the new growth from here. One last thing I would like to share. If your climber is outdoor, please give support of some tree or palm tree or pillar. And for indoor, I prefer hanging from up above. I'm doing all these experiments since 10 years and I loved sharing with you all. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you soon. Take care. Thank you.